Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's me, Jesse Mitchell, mixed martial arts fighter from Royal Martial Arts. You're probably wondering, why is Jesse talking so quietly? It's because my wife, Lydia, is snoring in the next room. So you're like, oh, okay, that's pretty nice. Nothing's ever nice with me. I'm going to show you this little app I got on my phone, and she's going to actually find out what that app is today. So let's go through the phone and see what that app is. Oh, you probably can't see it. We're gonna go through it. Oops. Went through the internet. Alright. See that little air horn app? Air horn, yeah. I'm a bad man. Yes, go wake her up. Shh, be very, very quiet. I'm hunting Lydia's.
Oh, stop! Stop.
Wow, weird reaction. I definitely thought it would be different. Peace out.